Unlock a world of endless entertainment on your Mac with this simple guide to getting Netflix. Ready to dive into your favorite movies and TV shows on your Mac? It's easier than you think, and there are two primary ways to do it. First, let's explore the Mac App Store option. Click on the blue App Store icon in your dock. Once the App Store is open, locate the search bar, usually at the top left, and type in Netflix. You'll see the official Netflix app appear. Click on the Get button, and then the Install button. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID to authorize the download. The Netflix app will download and install directly onto your Mac, appearing in your Applications folder or on your desktop. Now, simply open the Netflix app. You'll be prompted to log in with your existing Netflix account credentials. Alternatively, you can access Netflix directly through your web browser. Open your preferred browser, like Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Netflix.com and press enter. This will take you to the Netflix website. If you already have an account, head to the login button. Enter your email address and password associated with your Netflix account and click sign in. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy streaming entertainment on your Mac. Whether you prefer the dedicated app or the convenience of your web browser, your next binge watch is just a click away. For more handy Netflix tips and to stay updated on all things streaming, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button.